Namaste, welcome to Path for Healthy Living. And let's get started with today's core fit practices. And if you are watching this video for the first time, please do check in the description box below for the previous day's core fit practices. And if you want to combine the core fit series with the everyday home yoga practice, please do check in the playlist Everyday Home Yoga. Let's get started. Come on to all your fours, that is tabletop posture. And get your knees separated and feet separated. Make sure you stack your wrists directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. Now tuck your toes in and lift your knees. Just hover above the ground. Don't lift too much. Just let your knees hover above the ground in a bear pose. And now we are going to do shoulder taps. Right hand and left shoulder. 1, 2. Left hand and right shoulder. So continue. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. And just take 2 long and deep breaths. Very good. We'll again get into tabletop posture, but this time knees together and feet together, but your wrists are directly stacked under your shoulders. And what we are going to do is, we are going to lift our right leg up and left hand. So just maintain your balance here, find your balance, and then once you find your balance, start moving your leg. You can even tuck your toes if you are not feeling comfortable relaxing the left toes. So you can just tuck and then start. You need to take your leg towards your right side and hand to your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Take a long and deep breath in, breathe out completely. Repeat the same with your left leg and right hand. First find your balance here. Lift your left leg up and right hand. You can tuck your right toes in for better balance and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Keep breathing normally. Take one more long and deep breath. Relax and then move into tabletop posture again. And from here, we are going to start mountain pose and frog jump from it. So tuck your toes in, lift your knees and raise your hips towards ceiling. This is your down dog or mountain. And from here, let us jump into a frog. So as you inhale, so remember to breathe, synchronize here. Inhaling, come into a frog jump, and then as you exhale, again go back to the mountain. So this is one round and keep doing. then relax. If you feel frog jumps are not for you, don't worry. Instead, consider doing a lizard pose. So like this. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So, let it each side 10 times. Do lizard pose and then relax. Keep breathing normally. And finally, we conclude with push-ups, the knee push-ups. So get into mountain pose again, or the down dog, and slowly place your knees down. After placing your knees down, you can slightly get them front. You can either tuck your toes in or relax your toes and move your hands slightly outside. Now start. Inhale here, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So do it 10 times and then relax. Maybe you can start with 5 and then continue to 10. Inhale, relax. Inhale, relax. Now slowly come back to Vajrasana, and from here go again to your break pose. Start your tappings and then continue with other sets of practice. So practice 3 sets, like including this, practice 3 sets overall. And that's all for today. After completing all the 3 sets, just lie down in Shavasana and relax nicely. Then you can start your day. Bye bye. See you tomorrow with another great set of practice.